Burj Khalifa is right there. If you can spot my fingers, it's there. It's glowing. That's Sheikh Zayed Road, and this is the entire city. It looks beautiful. My God, I think this is the first time I'm seeing Dubai as so beautiful place. There is Burj Khalifa shining. That goes all the way to Terminal 1 because we don't have direct connection over here. So that's how the train looks like. There's no driver and I'm just standing in front. That's how the train goes, and this is what it looks like. These are the passengers. And we're almost there. You see the station. Looks like my mama is in the parking slot. He's just getting the thing paid. And that's the airport. Just reached. I don't know, hungry, happy, sleepy. I don't know what's my emotion. Spoke to my parents. Here it's not cold, but I'm just feeling uncomfortable. So now I'll just go home and change, and then I'll talk to you guys. वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर तो सामने
तो वैक्सीन নিতে গেলে কেন রাস্তা হবে
আচ্ছা
ডিস্ট্রিক্ট 10
out in a mall. This is my first mall hopping which I'm doing it. Just come for a meeting over here. I'm in Burjuman, and things have changed a lot. 6 years back and now it's completely changed, but yes, it still looks pretty. I'll show you. That's the entire mall. You get all sort of brands over here. Even though I never used to visit much in Burjuman, but never mind. This is the first mall visit I'm doing it, so of course I'm liking it. These places are decorated for Christmas. And the worst part is I'm unable to find out a Wi-Fi connection over here. That's the worst thing ever. Like ever. And trying to buy something like this, and also a power bank, because जितना मैं वीडियो ले रही हूँ उतना मेरा power bank खा रहा है, so can't take a risk. I'm looking out for a power bank. Let's see. I guess I found it. No, this is something else. Let me see. The prices are damn cheap. Could say Christmas decoration. Find power banks. Of course, I need to look for something like that. Finally done with the shopping. Just going home. Productive meetings, and what else you need? This is where am I going? To the metro station. Metro station. At first I was so confused, but then yeah, there were so many people that helped me. And finally I got into the correct platform. Now let's see what happens. The Dubai metro station. Train, it feels like train. Somebody standing. happened was just 5 minutes back. I don't have my SIM card yet, and I went to a mall which you have seen, and I got stuck after coming back from there. I forgot to take the address of my uncle, and I didn't have a SIM card. I couldn't even find a free Wi-Fi. I tried from this Dunkin' Donuts also, but they didn't have it. And I went all the way to the police, Dubai police, and they are really, really very sweet, and they have helped me. I asked the person that I need a free Wi-Fi or something. He gave his hotspot, and then I could connect to my uncle. And this is the tragic after landing back after 6 years in Dubai, and it's okay. That's a fun adventure. Like people should have certainly something like this. So I had. Now I'm waiting here. Got some stuff, and yes, I'm still waiting for him to come and pick me up. While all over Dubai, people are using these cycles. You can use it like, I think you can rent them. There are even cycles over here which you can rent and return. So quite pocket friendly, but I still have to have a practice to get these bikes for myself. That's the night view of UAE. Looks beautiful. And I'm loving the adventure. Trust me, I don't know what's gonna happen next, but yeah, see, there's somebody who is riding bicycle. So you can see like every single places people are riding on it. The best part about these bikes are you can even carry it in metro. So even if you're traveling from one place to another, you can portable, like you can this is actually a portable scooter, so you can just make it small, and then you can just carry it everywhere all over the UAE. So this is lovely. Yep.